नमस्कार। आज हम यहाँ पर कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग जो कि बीएससी नर्सिंग का एक सब्जेक्ट है उसके यहाँ पर सिलेबस के बारे में जानेंगे कि उसके सिलेबस में क्या क्या टॉपिक हैं, उसके सिलेबस में क्या क्या कंटेंट हैं और मेनली ये थ्योरी के कंटेंट हैं। पहली जो यूनिट है उसमें है कंसेप्ट ऑफ कम्युनिटी हेल्थ एंड कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग। इसमें है डेफिनेशन ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ, कम्युनिटी हेल्थ एंड कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग, public health in India and its evolution and scope of community health nursing, and review concept of health and illness, disease, definition, dimension and determinants of health and disease, the natural history of disease, level of prevention, primary, secondary and tertiary prevention, review health problem profile of India. Then second unit में है health care planning and organization of health care at various level, health planning steps, health planning in India, various committees and commission on health and family welfare and 5-year plans. Then participation of community and stakeholder in health planning, healthcare delivery system in India, infrastructure and health sector, delivery of health services at sub-center, SC, PSC, CSC, district level, state level and national level. Then आता है Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, Primary Health Care and Comprehensive Primary Health Care, CPSC, Elements and Principles. Then आता CPSC through SC Health Wellness Center, SWC, role of MLHP, CHP, the National Healthcare Policies and Regulations, National Health Policy 1983, 2002, 2017, National Health Mission NHM, National Rural Health Mission NRHM, and National Urban Health Mission NUHM and NHM, National Health Protection Mission NHPM, Ayushman Bharat, Universal Health Coverage. Then आती है थर्ड यूनिट एनवायरमेंटल साइंस एंड एनवायरमेंटल हेल्थ एंड sanitation, natural resources, renewable and non-renewable resources, natural resources and associated problems, forest resources, water resources, mineral resources, food resources, energy resources and land resources. Then role of individual in conservation of natural resources and equitable use of resources for sustainable lifestyle. Then ecosystem, concept, structure and function of ecosystem, types and characteristics, forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, energy flowing ecosystem. Then biodiversity, classification, value of biodiversity, threat to biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity. Then environmental pollution, introduction, causes, effect and control, measures of air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, marine pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, nuclear hazards and their impact on health. Then climate change, global warming, example heat wave, acid rain, ozone layer depletion, wasteland reclamation and its impact on health. Then social issues and environmental, sustainable development, urban problem related to energy, water and environmental ethics. Acts related to environmental protection and preservation, environmental health and sanitation. Concept of environment, health and sanitation. Concept of safe water, sources of water, waterborne disease, water purification processes, household purification of water, physical and chemical standard of drinking water quality and test for assessing bacteriological quality of water, concept of water conservation, rainwater harvesting, watershed management, concept of pollution prevention, air and noise pollution, role of nurse in prevention of pollution, solid waste management, human excreta disposal and management and sewage disposal and management, commonly used insecticides and pesticides. Then आती है फोर्थ यूनिट फोर्थ यूनिट में क्या है? न्यूट्रिशनल असेसमेंट एंड न्यूट्रिशनल एजुकेशन, रिव्यू ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, कंसेप्ट, टाइप्स, मील प्लानिंग, एम्स, स्टेप्स एंड डाइट प्लान फॉर डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स, nutrition assessment of individuals, families and community by using appropriate methods, planning suitable diet for individual and families according to local availability of foods and dietary habits and economic status, general nutritional advices, nutrition education, purpose, principle and methods and rehabilitation, the nutritional deficiency disorders, national nutritional policy and programs in India, foodborne disease and food safety, foodborne diseases, definition and burden, causes and classification, signs and symptoms, transmission of foodborne pathogens and toxins, early identification, initial management and referral, food poisoning and food intoxication, epidemiological features, clinical characteristic, types of food poisoning, food intoxication features, preventive and control measures, public health response to foodborne diseases. देन आती है फिफ्थ यूनिट। फिफ्थ यूनिट में कम्युनिकेशन मैनेजमेंट एंड हेल्थ एजुकेशन, इसमें बिहेवियर चेंज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, कम्युनिकेशन, देन ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, हेल्थ बिलीफ मॉडल, कंसेप्ट एंड डेफिनेशन, वेज टू इन्फ्लुएंस बिहेवियर, स्टेप ऑफ बिहेवियर चेंज, टेक्निक्स ऑफ बिहेवियर चेंज, गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल इन प्लानिंग BCC एक्टिविटी, steps of BCC, social and behavioral change communication strategies, techniques to collect social history from client, barrier to effective communication and methods to overcome them, health promotion and health education, methods, techniques and audio-visual aids. Then sixth unit आती है community health nursing approaches, concept, roles and responsibilities of community health nursing personnel, approaches, nursing process, epidemiological approach, problem solving approach, evidence based approach, empowering people to care for themselves. Then review में primary health care and comprehensive primary health care CPSC, home visit, concept, principles, process and techniques, bag technique, qualities of community health nurse, role and responsibilities of community health nursing personnel in family health services. Then review में principles and techniques of counseling. Then आती है सेवंथ यूनिट, assisting individuals and families to promote and maintain their health, assessment of individual and families, review from child health nursing, medical surgical nursing and OBG nursing, assessment of children, women, adolescents, elderly, etc. Then children, monitoring growth and development, milestones, anthropometric measurement, BMI, social development, temperature and blood pressure monitoring, menstrual cycle, breast self-examination and testicle self-examination, TSE, warning signs of various diseases, tests, urine for sugar and albumin, blood sugar and hemoglobin, provision of health services, primary health care, routine checkup, immunization, counseling and diagnosis, management of common diseases at home and health center level, care based on standing orders, protocols approved by MOH and FW, drug dispensing and injections at health center, continue medical care and follow-up in community for various diseases and disabilities, carry out therapeutic procedures as prescribed required for client and family, maintenance of health records and reports, maintenance of client records, maintenance of health records at the facility level, report writing and documentation of activities carried out during home visits in the clinics, centers and field visits, sensitize and handle social issues affecting health and development of the family, women empowerment, women and child abuse, abuse of elders, female feticide, commercial sex workers, substance abuse, utilize community resources for client and family, trauma services, old age homes, orphanages, homes for physically challenged individuals, homes for destitute, palliative care center, hospice care centers, assisted living facilities. देन 8th यूनिट में है, यूनिट 8 में इंट्रोडक्शन टू एपिडेमियोलॉजी, एपिडेमियोलॉजिकल अप्रोच एंड प्रोसेसेस, एपिडेमियोलॉजी कंसेप्ट एंड डेफिनेशन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ डिजीज, aims and uses of epidemiology, epidemiological models of causation of disease, concept of disease transmission, mode of transmission, direct, indirect and chain of infection, time trends or fluctuations in disease occurrence, epidemiological approach, descriptive, analytical and experimental, principle of control, measures, level of prevention of disease, investigation of an epidemic of communicable disease, use of basic epidemiological tools to make community diagnosis for effective planning and interventions. Then 9th unit है communicable disease and national health programs, communicable disease, vector borne disease, every disease will be dealt under the following headlines. Epidemiology of the following vector borne disease, prevention and control measures, screening and diagnosing the following condition, primary management, referral and follow-up, malaria, filaria, Kala Ajar, Japanese encephalitis, dengue, chikungunya, communicable disease, infectious disease, every disease will be dealt under the following headlines. Epidemiology of the following infectious disease, prevention and control measures, screening, diagnosing the following condition, primary management, referral, follow-up, leprosy, tuberculosis, vaccine, preventable disease, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, poliomyelitis and measles, enteric fever, viral hepatitis, HIV, AIDS, RTI infection, HIV, AIDS and sexually transmitted disease, reproductive tract infection, STIs, RTIs, diarrhea, respiratory tract infections, COVID-19, helminthic, soil and food transmitted and parasitic infections, scabies and pediculosis, communicable disease, zoonotic disease, epidemiology of zoonotic disease, prevention and control measures, screening and diagnosing the following condition, primary management, referral and follow-up, rabies, identify, suspect, primary management and referral to the health facility, role of nurse in control of communicable disease, national health programs, UIP, universal immunization program, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, poliomyelitis, measles and hepatitis B, national leprosy eradication program, NLEP, revised national tuberculosis control program, RNTCP, integrated disease surveillance program, IDSP, enteric fever, diarrhea, respiratory infections and scabies, national AIDS control organization, NACO, national vector-borne disease control program, national air quality monitoring program, any other newly added program. Then आती है 10th unit, non-communicable disease and national health program, NCD, national response to NCDs, every disease will be dealt under the following headlines. Epidemiology of specific disease, prevention and control measures, screening, diagnosing, identify and primary management, referral and follow-up care, diabetes mellitus, NCD1, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, stroke and obesity, blindness, categories of visual impairment and national program for control of blindness, deafness, national program for prevention and control of deafness, thyroid disease, injury and accidents, risk factor for road traffic injuries and operational guidelines for trauma care facility on highway, NCD2 cancer, cervical cancer, breast cancer, oral cancer, epidemiology of specific cancer risk factors, causes, prevention, screening, diagnosing signs and symptoms and early management and referral, palliative care, role of nurse in non-communicable disease control program, national health programs, national program for prevention and control of cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, strokes, NPCDCS, National Program for Control of Blindness, National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness, National Tobacco Control Program, standard treatment protocols used in national health programs,